It's that time of the week for this huge honking box of mystery sneakers. Yeah, it's a beater box from Soul Supremacy. This one is over $1,000, so should be pretty lit. Stay tuned. We'll open it up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Hawaii here, coming at you with your favorite series, this beater box series. This beater box comes to us as always from soulsupremacy.com. If you guys don't know who Soul Supremacy is, they're a shop out in the Bay Area of California that specializes in selling these beater boxes, sneakers, they got soul steals. They got a lot of stuff out there, so check them out. Link is in the description below. These videos are not sponsored. I literally spend thousands of dollars on mystery sneakers every week. When you really stop and think about it, it's kind of insane. You really have no idea what you're getting in these things. They're in used or new conditions. They're called beater boxes for a reason because they have beaters in there sometimes. So you clean them up and you're supposed to like be able to flip them and make more money. And I wouldn't be making these videos if I didn't make money off these boxes. They usually typically range from about, on average, you make at least $200 on any box you get, so that's good. It takes a lot of work and it's not easy and it's not for everybody, but it has been profitable, so that's why I keep doing them and you guys seem to enjoy it. So let's open this one up. $1,325. It's gonna be a big one. $1,325. Okay. Well, to start it off, we got a pair of the Flu Game Jordan 12s. They're a nice shoe, obviously, that black and red kind of bread vibes. These are in a size 13, but as you can see, there is no box and they are pretty used. But it is a classic colorway, really nice sneaker too, so there's definitely gonna be a buy for this. What you guys are seeing on the screen over here is the competitive market pricing for shoes that are in like this user range. So that's pretty much what people are selling the shoe for now and what they're kind of going for on the open market. So yeah, we got to see what this one's worth, but I know it's at least $100 even in this kind of condition, so that's good. Good for a shoe. Let's check out what else we got though. Okay, so one more shoe without a box. This one is a Jordan 9. Not sure what colorway this is. A size 13 though again. No box, and it is pretty beat. It came out in 2017. What shoe is this? I don't know what colorway this is. But yeah, it'll be up on the screen. Dirtied up, obviously. You can see that. Bottoms used. So this one's going to need some cleaning, but after that, it should be good to go. Other shoe looks about the same, just minor wear and tear. So this one will probably be going for a lot cheaper than that Flu Game. So that's all the ones without boxes. Let's get to the ones with boxes now. Next one out is a Eqt Support in a size 12. Ugh, okay, what do we got here? Ooh, what is this? It looks like it's an Undefeated collab with, it says Colette 8. I don't know, Undefeated kind of collab. So anyway, it's very blue. EQTs are actually really comfortable shoes, so this is a good sneaker to have, I guess. Has that Undefeated branding right there at the top, and Undefeated and Colette 8 right there. Anyway, no idea on the value on this one. It does feel like a solid sneaker though, size 12, and yeah, like I said, EQTs are very comfortable, so very functional shoe. Okay, we got 5 more. This one is a Nike SB box in a size 12. Okay, so it looks like we got a pair of the Nike SB Galaxies. This one's in a really good condition actually. Used maybe once, the bottoms are slightly dirty, but when you look at the top, no toe box creasing, insides look really good, so overall, good quality sneaker. Has like that Galaxy vibes going throughout it, that's why they call it the Galaxies. Yeah, but it is a clean shoe. SB market obviously is not what it used to be, so these don't go for too much, unfortunately. So far, not really feeling the box for $1,300, and I see 0 Yeezy boxes, so it'll be interesting. It'll be interesting. Okay, next up we got a Jordan 11 in a very old retro Jordan box. This one is a size 8.5. Oh man. So these are a pair of Space Jams and very, very discolored on the bottom. Oh, this is the 2000 drop. Wow. So this is a pair of Space Jams from 2000. That's insane. It's not even in super bad shape. Like you can see over the top, there's not too much creasing there. It looks very old because of the yellowing, and obviously this is not a shoe you want to wear anymore. 11s are kind of notorious for like all of this falling off really quick if you wear it, you know, like probably 18 years later now. So yeah, not good to wear. It's more of a collector's piece, but good size and pretty good condition. So hopefully that has some good value up on the screen. Okay, next one is a Jordan 6 in a size 9. Okay, so I believe these are called the alternates, and this is actually in pretty solid condition still. Not a lot of creasing up there, no marks on the shoe. Bottoms are again a little bit dirtied up, so probably try it on. but it still feels like it's very high quality in here. Everything is still pretty stiff, so that's how you know it hasn't been worn a lot. Good shoe. I'm not sure about the value on this either, but I don't know. 6s are alright. Not really my thing, but they're alright. Still not really great value in here. This one is a Jordan 6 in a size 12. Okay, well, the money shoe must be pretty money because this one is a 6. I think these are called wheats or something. I'm not too sure. Maybe something like that. They look kind of like a wheat. Anyway, this like that brown colorway. Bottom's dirtied up. Like I said, size 12. No noticeable markings. It's all suede too, so that's solid if a suede shoe doesn't get messed up really bad. So for the last shoe in the box, we got a... Okay, so I knew what type of shoe it was from this, but I have no idea what Jordan it is. It is a Jordan 9 though, so it's a 9 Premio in a size 10.5. Okay, they're already in the dust bags. Man, I hope this is DS, because Premios are not very easy to move. They're not very easy. Okay, so Premio, you can see the BIN 23 up there, that little stamp marking. All of them are like super premier shoes, and this one might actually be dead stock, which would be cool, really cool. Yeah, bottoms look pretty darn white to me. I don't see any markings on here. No scratches, no toe box creasing. Has the shoe horn, like there's a super premium shoe horn in there. You can see that it's like made out of wood and everything too. It's part of this pack. Still there too. So yeah, man, I'm pretty sure we just got a dead stock pair of Premios in a size 10.5. Wow, that's pretty good. Okay, if you guys don't know, these shoes go for a lot of money in dead stock condition. But it's unfortunate because finding a buyer for this kind of series is really hard though, you know? Like the 9s aren't the worst of the Premium series, I would say, but they're not the best, obviously. So it's one of those middle of the pack. So I'm not exactly sure what the value is on this with the dead stock condition, but I'm sure it is quite a number. So we got to see, check it out. But that is a great shoe to have. Obviously, when it's dead stock, it moves rather quick. You just have to take a hit to value if you decide to sell it for lower than what it's actually worth. All right, so we ended that on a good note, a really, really good note. Definitely makes up for the rest of the box, I would say, because a lot of those other shoes are considered bricks to a lot of people just because they don't really move very well. You know, like Space Jam from 2000, there's not too many buyers for that. Like I said, only collectors, not really people that can wear it. That's why anymore. We got 2 shoes without boxes. We got an SB, EQT. Like the rest of them aren't really great. So essentially what's going to happen is that most of the value of the box is going to be made from that one Premio Jordan 9, but everything else will be the profit most likely, but it won't be very much profit unless you can move them for decent money. So we got to see. I think overall it was a good box. 1300, really solid, I think, in my opinion. Anyway, that's it for this beater box. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like it down below. Sub to the channel if you guys want to see more beater box unboxings. But until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!